Hey guys, my name is Stella and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your foundations and concealer in the perfect ways where you get to see optimum results. If you want to see how that goes, then stay tuned.
So I'm starting by backing my head to the back so it doesn't disturb. Now first thing first, to prep, I'm using my wipes to clean my face as my face has already been washed. Going in with my primer, and I use this primer all over my face. Going in with my second primer, and I'm using that just on my T-zone because my T-zone gets oily. I'm going to set my face with my Nuban Beauty setting spray. Wait for that to dry. Now I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty foundation. Applying little. And now I'm going in with my foundation brush. I prefer to use this than this. I'm using this to dab the product into my skin gently, making sure it goes just about everywhere. Blending that in. To create an even skin tone. Now I'm going in with my damp beauty blender and I'm blending in the product some more. You can see the difference after using a beauty blender. Makes it easier. Now I'm going in, I'm using several concealers. This Nuban Beauty concealer, I'm going in with the lighter shade of Nuban Beauty concealer. And I'm using that to highlight under my eyes. Applying just little. Now I'm blending that in immediately because I don't want it to dry out. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Now my chin, the bridge of my nose, and also there. I'm blending with a damp beauty sponge. Here's my face with just the highlight. And now contour. Using the dark shade of concealer, I'm applying the concealer to areas I want to contour, cheekbone, my jawline, and also my hairline. I'm also applying to my nose, the edges of my nose, to give myself that contour. Now I'm using this contour brush of mine to blend that in. If you haven't seen my video where I talked about brushes, the link will be in the description box to learn more about brushes to use. So I'm blending that. Now I go in with my foundation brush and I'm using that to blend in everything. So that's it, to make it look seamless. Next is setting powder. Using this Angular Beauty sponge, I'm applying my setting powder to the areas I applied concealer, to the areas I highlighted. Also under my jawline to give it that sharp contour look. So that's it with the setting powder. So I've done the rest of my makeup off camera, so that's it. When you apply your concealers and foundation rightly, you get the best results and you love your makeup. I hope you do like this. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.